Hello students, in today's session we will study about digital documentation advanced and today topic is creating drawing objects. To create a drawing object, firstly click on view menu, then click on toolbars option, then click on drawing option. Then drawing toolbar will appear, see here. Then next is how to use a drawing tool. For this, click in the document where you want to place the drawing object, then select the tool from the drawing toolbar, that is line, square, etc. Then when you click on any tool, then mouse pointer change into crosshair symbol, then move the crosshair symbol in the document and then click and drag to create the drawing object and release the mouse button. To cancel the selected drawing function, press escape key or click on the select icon on the drawing toolbar. See, this is select icon. Then you can now change the properties, that is fill color, line type, etc. of the drawing object using either the drawing object property toolbar or the choices and dialog boxes reached by right clicking on the drawing object. Then next is set or change properties for drawing objects. To set the properties for a drawing objects before you draw it. Then on the drawing toolbar in figure 9, firstly click on select tool option. This is select tool. Then on the drawing object property toolbar in figure 10, click on the icons for each property and select the value you want for that property, that is see figure 10. Then here line, arrow style, line width, line color, etc. Then next is to change the properties for an existing drawing object. For this, firstly right click on the drawing object, then click on the position and size from the pop-up menu, then position and size dialog box will appear, then choose any property according to your requirement. Next is resizing a drawing object. For this, firstly select the object, then the 8 handles will appear. Then click on any handle and drag it for resizing. And other method is click on format menu, then click on object option, then click on position and size option. With this, position and size dialog box will appear. Then set the height and width according to your requirement. Then next is grouping drawing object. To group drawing objects, for this, firstly select one object, then hold down the shift key from keyboard, then select the other object that you want to group. Then hover the mouse pointer over one of the object and choose format menu and click on group option. Then again click on group option from pop-up menu. And other method is right click on the object and choose group option and again choose group option from pop-up menu. If you want to ungroup the object, for this click on format menu, then click on group option and then select ungroup option from pop-up menu. Then next is positioning image and graphics within the text. When you add a graphic to a document, you need to choose how to position it with respect to the text and other graphics. Position of a graphics is controlled by 4 settings. First is arrangement. It refers to the placement of a graphics on an imaginary vertical axis. Arrangement control how graphics are stacked upon each other. Then next is alignment. Alignment refers to the vertical or horizontal placement of a graphics. Then next is anchoring. It refers to the reference point for the graphics. This point could be the page or frame where the object is, a paragraph, or even a character. An image always has an anchor point. The next is text wrapping. Text wrapping allow you to place text behind of an image, in front of an image, or around an image. The setting can be accessed in a number of ways depending on the nature of the graphics. First is from the format menu, where you can find alignment, arrange, wrap, and anchor options. Then from the pop-up menu displayed when you right click on the graphic. Then from the object toolbar shown in figure 11, see here. With this you can apply style, wrap off, page wrap, wrap through, number of options. Then next is for images, from the type and wrapping pages of the picture dialog box. To open the picture dialog box, click on image to select it, then choose format menu, then click on picture option. With this, picture dialog box will appear. And other method is right click on the graphic and choose picture option on the pop-up menu. Then next is for drawing objects. From the position and size page of position and size dialog box, to open position and size dialog box, click on drawing object to select it, then choose format menu, then click on object option, then click on position and size option. With this, position and size dialog box will appear. And other method is right click on the graphic and choose position and size option on the pop-up menu. With this, you can control the position of graphics. Thank you.